Hey, Bob Carr with the Bob Carr Show. Today we're out in the field. We're in Bowie, Maryland. We're installing a lawn sprinkler system. Come on with us. We'll take a look. Hey, we're out here on the job site in Bowie today. We're going to do a walkthrough of an irrigation installation. So the fellas have started out here already. Got the pipe underground, the heads hooked up. They pulled pipe in here. In this area here is going to be an underground lawn sprinkler manifold. That's where we'll service this unit for years. It'll be underground. The wiring here is going around the house. That'll eventually lead into the garage to the lawn sprinkler controller. The plumber's here installing the plumbing in the sub-meter in the basement. He'll be coming out over here in a little bit with his penetration, and then we'll drop back into the ground. We've got the permit pulled on that. He'll be taking care of that before the day's over. Over here, we're digging down and we're gonna connect a spray head here. What size spray head we got here, Nordy? 6 inch. So this is a 6-inch pop-up spray head. The guys are gonna be installing here in a couple of minutes. This is just a dust cover here we use for clean out when we're hooking up the head. So this will pop up 6 inches of spray. This is for design for the turf. Donnie's got spray heads hooking up in this area here, installing these heads here. The guys are going around the house now with more pipe, main line and the lateral lines for the various different sprinkler zones that are here. This system will be complete today. This client will have a complete underground lawn sprinkler system, which will consist of the controller, the rain sensor, all heads, valves, plumbing, sub-meter. This system will be complete today. No more hose dragging for this client. Thanks for watching the Bob Carr Show. Give us a call at the office if you need help with your lawn sprinkler system. 410-721-2342. Thanks again.